Hey everybody, and welcome back to Creative Kiwi. My name is Sue and I'm from OML Embroidery. Seeing how I've been doing a lot of Creative Kiwi videos on their amazing designs and also doing lives, which I hope you guys will join me for the next one, I thought I'd make a quick video for you guys to learn how to download and navigate through Creative Kiwi's website. So the first thing, navigate to it, Creative Kiwi Embroidery.co.nz or Z, depending on how you say it, and go straight to the bottom and click on register. And once you get there, add your name and your email address and click join. And you will get an email from Creative Kiwi, and you just have to click on the link and then you'll be logged directly into your account. And once you do that, you can download the free design, which I'm gonna show you guys how to do. So let me log in, I'll come right back. So here I am logged in. It says welcome Susan, which is my legal name. Nobody calls me that though, so it's kind of funny. And I want to go directly to members only freebies. Now you have a lot of options if you want to, see your loyalty points, change your password if you want to log out, although I don't know why you would. 6 previous orders, and you can download your previous purchases. So if you lose your embroidery designs or your computer crashes, this is where you want to go. So it's really important that you make an account. So let's go to member only freebies. Now I have done a video on the leaf coaster, which is awesome. I really want to do the pineapple coaster, but I see a lot of people are doing this happy place sewing. So I'm going to click on it. I don't have it yet, and I am going to download it. So it includes all the information, the sizes, it includes all the different formats. So click on download and you can see in the corner here that it's downloading it, and it's downloading a zip file. So once that's done, you have to wait for it to be done, and you click on it and it'll come up with all of this. Once you click on it, it comes up with all of this, and these are all of your files that you're going to use, but you can't use them yet until you unzip it. And what I want you to do is go to the extract button and extract all. So a zip folder means that all the files are compressed together, so you can't use them when they're compressed together. Just think, papers in a folder all compressed. You can't read them because they're too close together. So we want to extract the files so then you can see what everything is. Now you can download it. Yours will be different from mine because I have a different computer, and you can download it wherever you want. Now you could make a Creative Kiwi file folder on your computer, on your desktop. That would be the easiest place to find all of your Creative Kiwi designs. So let's do that right now. You right click and you go all the way down to new. Now I just right clicked on my background and new folder, and we are going to call it Creative Kiwi, and click off of that, and there you go. Now double click on it and it opens it up into this, and you can see it. Now what I'd like to do, so we have a Creative Kiwi folder, right click again and do new again and folder, and we're going to call this sewing, or happy sewing place, I guess it is. Happy sewing place. If I could type, my nails are a bit long. And click off of that, and there you have it. So now it's on our desktop, and now we know where to find it. So let's bring it back up, and not that one. We want to bring up this one right here. So we're talking about extracting. So I want to click on browse, and I want to go right here, this PC, and if it's not opened up, then you can just click on it. See, there's an arrow right there, this PC, and it's right there for you, desktop. And look, this is what we created, Creative Kiwi and Happy Place Sewing. and select folder is all you have to do once you click into it. And look, everything has changed and you don't have to worry about any of what it says because you know where you're going. And show extracted files when complete, I leave that on. You don't have to, you know where to find the folder. And click extract. It's not done until you click extract. And then you're going to get this little thing here that shows you how far it's going. I have a super fast computer, so there it is. And look, everything you need here. Now your icons may look a little bit different. I have my images set to open in Photoshop. You go to view and we'll make a large icons and you can see everything that you just downloaded. So that is how you unzip, you download, you unzip, and you set up your files from Kreative Kiwi. And it's super easy. Now, one little quick step, because we've made it so you can find everything and everything's extracted, we can now see everything. If you want to send it directly to your machine, you can do it right here from Windows Explorer files. So right-click on it, right-click on it, and send to. And one of these options will either be your machine if it's turned on, and it's going to show up as a drive and it'll give it a letter. And if you have a USB, plug it in before you right click and it'll show up as a letter, and you can just click and send it to there, and it's going to go to your machine or it's going to go to your USB drive. And that's how you do it. It's super easy. Keep yourself organized. It's easy to find the next one that you're going to download. You just right click and make a new folder, and then, you know, I spelled it wrong. Wow. Then, you know, if you're looking for something, it's easy to find. Happy Sewing Place Design, I want to do that. Double click on it and there are all your options, as well as your instructions. Your PDF is right there, and that is your instruction. Open it up, print it out, and right click, send it to your machine or your USB, and get stitching. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy Kreative Kiwi designs. I just love them. I'm happy to do this videos to help everyone out and help everyone get stitching. So I'll see you guys in the next video.